Okay, so I'm going to show you some more advanced tools now. So let's say that we have these cubes here and we're going to kind of line them up. And so one thing we can do is we kind of try to do it by hand, okay, but it can be kind of hard. Alright, so what we can do instead is there's a tool that we can use called the Align tool, and it's this one right here, okay, and you can use the letter L to bring up the Align tool. Now, right now it's in gray, and the only way I can select it is if I have more than one shape selected. And so the way I can select multiple shapes is either to click outside of a shape and drag this box to whatever I want selected. If I want to deselect, I can click out. I can do the same thing here to select those two. Or I can hold down the Shift key. So if you're holding down the Shift key, you can click as many shapes as you want to select them. Okay, and so once you have selected two shapes, you can choose the Align key. And all these little boxes, these little like dots pop up. You can see them in 3 dimensions. We have them upwards, we have them to the side, we have them to the side here. And so let's say I want to align the shapes to this point right here. I can click right there, and now they're lined up this way. Okay, maybe I want to instead to center them, so I could center them like that. Or maybe I want to align them this way, so I'll center them like that. Okay. One thing you want to be careful of, if you press too many times, you could end up with them in the same spot, which generally isn't a good thing. Okay, so now these are completely aligned. So we're going to undo that. And then maybe what I want to do is this. So let's say I want to make kind of an L shape with these. So I'll take these ones and align them like this. And then I'll take these two and align them like this. And now they're kind of in a square. And maybe I want to add one in. So I'll go like this. Alright, so now that I've got this done, I'm going to align these two. And well, I don't want to align it here. I guess I could align it here. The other thing you can do is if you want to say, I want to align this block to this one, I can actually click on this one, and then I've got all the little tabs right here, and it'll show me where it will move to based on where I press. So I'm going to align it right there, and then I'll align this one right here. So I selected them using the Shift key there, and I will align them right there. Okay, now I have this, I guess, square rectangle of cubes. They're all perfectly aligned.